moisturize my face with this Nivea moisturizer. I just love this moisturizer so much, that is why I'm just going to use this. And it also works as a primer as well. So it is very deeply moisturized and it will make your makeup long lasting. So that is why I highly recommend this Nivea moisturizer. I just need my lips to be properly moisturized and hydrated. So now let's move on to the primer. For primer, I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty primer. I'm just going to use 3 pumps of this one, and it is very smoothing primer. It is not a pore filling primer, but it is a smoothing primer. So you need something smoothing to your skin, you can also check this one. Next, I'm going to use this Mars Illuminati base in the shade number 01 Gold Beam. So this is good for bridals, you can definitely use it, and it is such an amazing product. It does have a lot of reflexes, so I highly recommend this one to the Indian skin tone with yellow undertone. Okay, so you can definitely check this one because it is quite yellow undertone. So that is why I highly recommend this one. This is so gorgeous product. It does not have any kind of glitter particles, so you can check this one. So now let's move on to the foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use this the Mars BB cream. So this is in the shade number Fair. Obviously it is BB cream, but it is not my shade, but I'm going to use this like a very little amount because it does have very high coverage. So that is why I'm just gonna use a very tiny amount. If I need more, I will build it up. Okay. Now again, for my foundation, I'm going to use this Inside foundation in the shade number 01 Gold Honey. So I just need to finish this foundation. I just need to finish it up. That is why I'm using it back in the day, back in the videos. So that is why I'm just gonna use this foundation. My foundation is done and my face is looking very flawless. Just look at my base, it looks chef's kiss. Okay, so now for more, I'm going to use this concealer in the shade number 02, and this is from the brand HR. This is such an amazing concealer. I really like it. This concealer never disappoints me, so that is why I like to use this concealer. So this is my concealer. You can see I need a lot of concealer today, so that is why I'm just gonna blend from here. So that's my contour, and for contour I have used this Mars contour palette. So this is such a very nice contour palette. If you are thinking for a good nice contour palette, you can definitely check this one. It is quite affordable as well. It is under rupees 400 and you will get a lot of shades and a lot of pans for each and every skin tone. You can also customize your own shades, so that's why I highly recommend this product. So it will always give you that sheer to medium coverage. That's it. It is not that much high coverage, which I personally like. So if you are looking for sheer to medium coverage, everyday basis kind of contour, cream contours, you can definitely check this one. See, it blends really beautifully. You can actually contour with this. Okay, it is very cool undertone color. And now for my cream blusher, I'm going to use this Rico Cosmetics cream blusher in the shade number Goosebumps. This is an amazing product. I just love this product so much. It is really good. The brush I'm going to use here is Emax Design brush. Next, I'm going to use this Oriflame compact powder and my half and half compact powder to give my base a very flawless skin. That is why I'm going to use this powder. This is my OG product. I just love this one. It is Metal Soft Matte and I highly recommend this one to you. Okay, so first I'm just going to blend everything properly. Then I'm gonna set it. Blend everything and set everything. This technique makes your makeup base very long lasting and gives you a very flawless makeup base. So first I'm going to use this palette. This is from the brand Swiss Beauty. This is their Pro Eyeshadow Palette collection. First I'm going to take this white color. Now I'm gonna take this color, this light brown shade as my transition shade. And the brush I'm going to use here is from Vega eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna blend the shade on my outer V and on my upper crease area, like half on, just half of my eyelid. That's it. Okay, right from here. Just half of my eyelid. Shade. So I have applied the shade right over here to my upper crease, to my half of my eyelid, and on my lower lash line. For my blue eyeshadow, I have used this Mars brush. So this is their pencil brush E102. This is from their Titans collection, and just look at this brush. It is very teeny tiny round, so it is good for your inner corners and your upper crease area to blend the eyeshadows very fine and very smoothly. So that is why I love this brush so much. I highly recommend this Mars Cosmetics brushes. Okay, so now for my outer V, I'm going to use this burgundy color, this one. Put this shade right over here on my outer V. So now for my blue eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Mars Skillet eyeshadow palette. And for my blue eyeshadow, I'm going to use this color, this pastel green blue color. These eyeshadows are very pigmented, very pigmented, but somehow they sometimes give me a little bit of patch. But you need to work really fast with these eyeshadows, and your eyelid should be set properly while using these eyeshadows, because they can give you too much patch on your skin. And for my eyebrow bone, I'm going to use this golden shade, this one, and even for my tear dot. And next I'm going to use this Blue Heaven eyeliner. I just need a very thin eyeliner just to cover the band of eyelashes. And next for my glitter, I'm going to use this Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna use this duochrome glitter. It has light blue and silver glitters, so I'm just gonna use this glitter. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this blue glitter on my blue shade all over up till my crease line and up till my crease area. So just pop it all over. I'm just gonna dig my brush into this black shade and gonna spoolie them up. Now I'm just gonna fill up my eyebrows. And now for my mascara, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics mascara. So next I'm going to use this Sharon contour and highlighter palette. So first I'm going to use this pressed powder. I'm just going to apply it all over to retouch on my face. And next I'm going to use this shade as my bronzer. And for my second bronzer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty blush in the shade number Soft Nude. Look at this gorgeous color. This color is really good. For my contour, I'm going to use this palette. This is from Miss ADS. I'm going to use this cool tone shade. Now for my blush on, I'm going to use this my Glam palette, and this is in the shade number, I don't know, this is the face kit, and this is in the shade number 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna use these two shades. Next I'm going to use this Bella Voste Kajal in the shade number green. So I'm just gonna pop it on my waterline. See, that is really good, but you have to layer it a lot of time, so yeah. But it is very long lasting. It is smudge proof, waterproof, and very long lasting. And for my lipstick, I'm going to use this N by Bay lipstick in the shade number Hugs and Mugs. I really love these kinds of colors. These are so good, so flattering on my skin tone. I really like this color. You can definitely check this one. And for my highlighter, I'm going to use this Glam highlighter. This is such an amazing highlighter. It does not have any kind of glitter particles. It is very shiny and blingy. Now for my makeup fixer, I'm going to use this Jovis toner. I just need a little bit of dark lipstick, so I'm just gonna use this lipstick from Mars Cosmetics, and this is in the shade number 07. Now for my oil paints and my green eyeliner, I'm going to use this Cuffs and Lashes You Only Live Once 18 Pan Face and Body Paint. So I'm just gonna use this now. Use this color, this one. Gonna create a wing from here to my crease area to join this blue eyeshadow. Okay, so now lastly I just need to apply some gloss. So yeah, this is the final finished look. I hope ये वीडियो आप सबको अच्छी लगी हो so do like, subscribe and share. I just love this makeup look. You can definitely pair this makeup look with any of your outfit because blue is now such a color that looks flattering on each and every skin tone and each and every outfit. So you can definitely check this one. If you don't want to apply glitters, you can leave it. If you don't, instead of for that blue matte pastel color, you can definitely go with your eyeshadows, your shimmer eyeshadows, your duochrome eyeshadows. It will look more and more flattering on each and every skin tone and with each and every outfit. And I just love this eyeliner. I just love my makeup look so much. First I was like, I was not happy with this makeup look, but now when everything comes together, it will look really good. So I just love this makeup look. If you recreate this look, let me know into the comment box, and must tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Rachmakeups. Be sure to follow me there. So I just love this makeup look.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want